Here's some of the land we might be exploring over this weekend. Pretty gorgeous, huh? Yeah. Hi, honeys. It's a habit of consciousness, a habit of consciousness. So how do you change a habit? Practice. What we're going to be doing this weekend is practicing that we consciousness. How do I feel the part of me that's connected to everything? How do I commune to the part of me that's connected to other beings, other people? How do I express what's in the shadow, what's been hidden, what's been taboo, what's not been allowed? Well, we create safe space in order to allow that. We're going to do a little bit of that this weekend. That's how we do that collectively as a culture. We create safe space in order to allow what's been hidden and let more of the pulsing being that we all share come forward. And I'm really excited about letting more of our connection to nature come forward. So I can feel myself slow down and settle down to the central core of my body. I can feel roots emerging down from the soles of my feet and from my pelvis, moving downward. I'm literally feeling gravity moving down. The sun is shining bright. The light is maybe a little strange right now. Just a moment ago, I heard, I think it was a crow flying by, close by. You know that sound, that flap, 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 flap. Yeah. You're a curious one, huh?